Morning, guys. Morning, morning, morning. I appreciate you, buddy. Appreciate you with share there. All right. Now the chat on Discord is also available on traderscolony.com. If you write anything you write on Discord, shows up on traderscolony.com. And you can also use the chat on traderscolony.com, and it will show up in Discord. Pretty cool technology, right? Guys, please let me know if the audio is good, because I have no idea. Thank you. We got about 40 some seconds though. 40 some seconds here. I have to say I'm a little late. I was having a really strong conversation with my father not too long ago about the current situation. Hey Skylar, thank you for letting me know. Alright, so let's get into this. I'm gonna post the chat link on the Discord. If you guys want to join Discord, we keep the conversation running here. We live now. Alright, let's see what we're gonna do here. Not throwing the punch right away. Let me look at level 2 here and how far we can take this thing. Again, I'm a little bit late. 2 million shares traded already on this one. ESTC might be sympathy play on SPCE. We got $1.21. Oh, jumped up all the way there. Oh, geez, come on now. Okay, we got resistance up ahead of 424, 424, 537, 537, 540, 540, 540, 537, 540. Really close to $0.5 resistance right there. And we got resistance up ahead of 444. Really close to $0.5 there too. So again, guys, be mindful of that. Mindful of that. Looking at level 2, I'm gonna let it run for a little minute here. It's too close to $0.5 resistance, so I am not going to throw any punches here. Alright, let's see. Let us sip of coffee. Again, I'm a little late. Waiting for JBLU and all of those guys. Dropping now. Pen moving higher. Idea is look for a little sell-off. I'm pretty sure that some of you guys are looking to get into, let's see, TTOO. Dude, I gotta tell you guys, by looking at it, I will run away from it really, really far. Give me a second here. Hello. Yeah, you know me. Yeah. Yeah, you call me because of Papi, right? Mami está... Yo, no. Yo tuve que hablar con él bien fuerte esta mañana porque él quiere salir para el hospital. Y mami está llorando. You know. Yeah. Pen, guys. Pen. Ese es el punto. Exacto. 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 Ese es el punto. Ese es el punto. Yo me imagino. Ay, no. Ay, no. Yo le dije, viejo, ella por lo menos murió de vieja. Pero si sales tú queriendo ser superhéroe porque te llaman a ti, ¿por qué no llaman a Rodolfo o cualquiera de los hijos de Félix? No, no. Porque tú sabes que no va a funcionar. No, claro, ellos no van a hacer nada. No van a hacer nada. Entonces ese es el problema. Ese es el problema. Si tú supieras que yo también. Moving on iMac. iMac on move. iMac on the move. Sígueme diciendo. Hold up here. Yeah. Un poquito complicado. Pero yo lo que yo digo, papi, entonces nosotros, ellos quieren que tú le ayudes, no hay problema. Pero también nosotros tenemos derecho de pedir que tú ayudes, no involucrándote en algo que puede ser riesgoso. Porque ese es el problema. Can't watch in 1 minute time frame, 550 pen, 550 pen. Signature. Claro. Eso le dije yo. Digo, si tú crees que es Samuel que no está yendo a la casa. 1563 pen moving higher. Going back to HOD. Está bien, chulo. Cuando yo tenga 30 segundos más, yo te llamo ahora para atrás. Alright, okay. Alright. Guys, I apologize. I have a little family situation. One of my aunts passed away. My father wants to be the superhero, doing everything. He wants to run to the hospital and do a bunch of stuff. And we're trying to now let him go to the hospital. And my mom is crying because of my dad wanting to go to the hospital. And there's a lot of stuff going on. So again, I apologize. This is the reason why I told you I was having a kind of strong conversation with my dad. So it's family type of issue here. NCLH on the hold. ACLH hold it. ACLH hold it. NCLH hold it, guys. Alright, guys. NCLH hold it. CLH hold it. Let's see where it actually. Expecting it to pull back a little bit, close to the 18, pull back, and then come right back up to the higher days. So right now, what is this CCL here? CCL. Pen, it's printing a pen formation on the 1 minute time frame. Pen, 1575. Pen 1575. Pen up formation 1 minute time frame 1575. Pen, small pen up formation on 1 minute time frame. I'm in pen average 1566. Tapping candle, I don't like it too much. It might pull back though, but I'm expecting a little push over to the $16 area. pen. Yeah, pen might pull back over here. I think I did the wrong thing. I'm gonna let it run for a second. See, we have lower highs right here with this trend line. We broke this little formation here. It might push up here. Watching that level 2. A little bit of indecision here though. Which one was that one that we were just looking at a minute ago? Holy smokes. I appreciate you guys giving the like. Yeah, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Okay, keep an eye on ASTC. Might have a secondary move. Pen is not looking too great right now. Putting me in the wrong spot though. Putting me on the wrong spot, I gotta say though. This market could be a little tricky. ASTC, guys. ASTC on the move. ASTC. ASTC on the move. $4.46 resistance. On top of that, we have 446 and 541. Keep an eye on those areas there. I have a bunch of messages on Discord. I have no idea. I'm sorry, guys. I've been a little busy around here. ASTC 445, tapping that one there. If we could break and tap with our next leg up, it's $5, but salute. Just bear with me for a second here. Having an issue. Okay, guys, hold up. Bear with me for a second. Everything moved and TC2000 got rearranged. Holy smokes. Gotta move everything again. I hate when this thing happens. TC on 10 iMac. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Gotta reopen. I hate when this happens. Alright, so I lost track of what I was looking at. I didn't store it. Hard reset on this thing. Pretty messed up. TC to that. My computer sometimes acts up. I have to say it acts up. Pan. pen. Huge pullback on pen. I took a hit on pen. Took a hit on pen. Everything pulling back. iMac. Hold it now. iMac hold it. And about to bounce close to the 100 simple moving average. ASTC next leg up over 446, going towards the 5 and 550. Amazing pullback on pen. That doji candle messed up everything. Pull back from 16s. Pen right now. Everything is pulling back. ASTC though is moving higher. ASTC 425. 425. Watching pen. Possible both bear flag formation pattern here. I think NCLH could be actually hold it on the way down. ASTC is still moving. I'm taking a look at the scanners here. I apologize. I know I owe you guys. Some of you guys I owe some scanners. I owe some scanners. I gotta send it over to you. Dude, you posting like TTO moving. I really don't know. This thing, you know, TTO for me is not such a great deal. Alright, the little consolidation prior to the follow through move on pen. I think this thing is gonna keep on plunging. Pen just gonna keep on plunging here towards the 100 simple moving average. I took a hit on pen. Took a hit on pen. Took a hit on pen. And CLH, as I told you. Now hold it. Where's the overall market here? Overall market kind of cuckoo. All right, pen is dead for me though. This is a little consolidation here. If we break under this thing, we're just gonna keep flushing down. Prior low on the 1 minute, $14. If we get under the 14, which right now we're seeing a little bit of something, there you go. I just like this is. Let me keep my mouth shut. Sorry. Oh man, nowadays you can't even cough around people. Can't even cough around people. Wow, pen dropping so fast. It's not even funny. Pen. I took a hit on that one though today. I was long. This thing pulled back on me. What a flush we had on pen there. Oh, by looking at ASTC though, yeah, this thing's probably gonna, just pull back some more. Pen might try to have a little reversal here over the next minute or so, but everything is flushing down. Like NCLH, huge drop, DAL, IMAC, EVRI, CCL. And like it's I was talking to someone last night around 11, 12 a.m., something like that, about CCL right there on Discord. And if you go and check out the messages, it's exactly what I was talking about. That waiting for this morning because CCL might just get a little steam in the morning and then pull back right out of the gates and then find a little bit of a support and roll over. But that was my idea. On pen, again, I took a hit. This thing just flushed down so quickly, more than I would have liked seeing, and I was long on this one. I was long on pen. Now, decent reversal with this hammer right here. It's a pretty quick bounce though, I gotta say. Pretty quick bounce. Let's see how far you're gonna take it. High of the flag, 14.19. High of the flag, 14.19 on pen. High of the flag, 14.19. Tapping that 100 simple moving average on the 5-minute time frame on pen. Testing that 100 simple moving average on the 5-minute time frame on pen. Very nice. Pulling back exactly from the high of that flag over there. High of that flag right here. 14.19, 14.20. We got a 14.19 over here. 14.20 right here. Rejected that price. 14.18. Pull back. But let's see. Some people taking profits around this bounce. And you might come right back up. Still flagging around this area now. It's probably going to retest the 100 simple moving average on the 1. Let's see what happens here. I gotta say though, I took a hit on that one though. I did. I could have taken some profits. I got in at when it was 14.66, and look at that. You know. I mean 15.66. I apologize. And look at that flush from there. It's amazing. It's amazing. Coming down some more. Come on, IMMU. Why IMMU? No, IMMU. I'm gonna pass on that one. We got APO Apollo. APO on the move, but doesn't look too great. All right, ASTC sprinting a bull flag on the 5. Bull flag on the 5. ASCT. ASCT bull flag on the 5. All right, so let's see here. Hold up. Think, my friend, think. Market down right now, Spider. What's the VIX? So buy the VIX. Buy the VIX. VIX is 50.59. Can buy the VIX. Showing a little consolidation on pen. DAL, CCL, iMac coming right back up on top of the view app. NCLH halted again on the way down from the 18 high day today all the way to 14.79. All right, so we got a flag right here in the 5 minutes. Prior low already taken out. Prior low 13.33, moving to 13.20. Tapping that 13.21. Probably gonna take it out and move even lower. 13.20. 13.20. You go with the follow through there. That was 13.20. Prior low and support. Just keeps on moving lower. Holy smokes, I can't believe this thing. I am missing this opportunity because I'm trading a small account. It happens. It happens. So again, this new broker with kind of small account. I'm trying to figure out exactly what all of the rules are for shorting here. And this I haven't short on this broker yet. So since I don't have a huge account and I kind of know the rules about shorting, I haven't even tried to short, to be honest. Alright, so I'm gonna let it flush down, and then I'm gonna try to get in on the next bounce. Let it flush down. We have the 100 simple moving average on the 15 sitting at 1226. 1226. 1226. $12.26. All right, $12.50. $5 support. Might stop a little bit around here prior to some follow through move. $12.26. Put a trend line on the 15. $12.26. Red trend line. $12.26. 26. Let's put the red color here so we can determine, okay, tap in that 100 simple moving average on the 15. Seems like it's gonna bounce off no, that's gonna keep on flushing down. Holy smokes, this is just stupid. Stupid. This is just so stupid. This is nuts, bro. Like, this is hilariously not funny. Alright, so 12. See, I was thinking about getting on this bounce here, but this thing is flushing so hard that for me to try to get in on a bounce here could be a little risky. Short sell restriction now enforced. Short sell restriction now enforced. This can really be a little risky to try to get on this bounce here, because this thing might not even bounce like the way that it did on this last couple of candles right here. They moved kind of like 75 cents to almost $1 here. This thing might not even do that over here and just pull back. I'd rather not say what I'm thinking. $0.30 bounce so far. Well, more than 30 cents. 11.80 to 12.68 right now. It's a pretty decent bounce, but to be honest, a little risky. Wow, that's a decent bounce. That's a pretty decent bounce. A little bit of selling at 12.75. So trying to get a little support at 12.68 still. Watching the level 2 though. Time and sales flushing through. Not a lot of buying right now. Probably gonna get close to 13. Here you go, tapping the 13 there. Watching EVRI though. EVRI. Now JBLU coming down under 10. Probably gonna come under 10. Trying to determine what EVRI is gonna do here. Got a short sell restriction here. Short sell restriction. That means that you're gonna be putting your short on the ass and uptick. Pen coming down. It could be possible, buddy. ASTC halted. ASTC halted 476. 476 ASTC. Came up, broke up. ASTC halted. ASTC halted. Top of the view up. Nice search on ASTC. VRI, I think might rebound a little bit, but we're gonna have some follow through move to the downside under $4 on EVRI. Pen just flagging, coming right back up a little bit. A little risky for me. Flag EVRI, this is CL coming down. I want to do something here. ASTC flag on AAL. We're gonna keep on coming down on AAL and pen as well. EVRI. Pen is gonna come down some more. EVRI still consolidation though. JBLU. Look at blue here. Everything has a short sale restriction today. Okay, JBLU doesn't have a short sale restriction here. Okay, wait a second here. Oh, okay, let me take a look at this thing. It's a little bit of consolidation. See some size going through tape 10-15, 10-14. And JetBlue. $50 simple moving average. $50 simple moving average on JetBlue, tapping 1110. 1110, 50 simple moving average on JetBlue on the 15 minutes. 15 minutes. A little bit of selling. Bouncing 1010. Bouncing a little bit on JetBlue off of the 15 simple moving average on the 15 minutes. Wow, ASAT though, amazing. AS what? ASTC. ASTC moving higher here. ASTC. $675 higher day. 675 higher day. $10.07. Okay. Watching JetBlue. ASDC hold it again. ASDC hold it again. ASDC hold it again. Watching JetBlue though. Watching JetBlue. JetBlue. A little bit of buying 10, 10, 10, 13. Watching JetBlue, this consolidation here at Doji. Watching the high 1024. High 1024, small flag on the 1 minute time frame on JetBlue. JetBlue, small flag. Coming down JetBlue. Coming down JetBlue. I apologize. 1014, 1014. Watching 1014 here. Wall of sellers at 1015. Watching that small flag right there. Small flag right there. Expecting JetBlue to come down. I'm on JetBlue with an average of 1015 short. I'm short 1015 on JetBlue. JetBlue short 1015. $10.15. This flag, watching this flag on JetBlue though. ASTC. Small flag consolidation. Tight support 1010. Tight support 1010. Watching the 5 minute time frame candles though. Not really a lot of shares. I jumped in, but not with huge size. Not with huge size. I'm getting my feet wet there. Getting my feet wet there. I wanted to see the rules on the shorting side with this broker I haven't used for shorts. That's great, buddy. That's great. Watching 1041 high, 1041 high. 5 minute time frame candle. A lot of indecision there on JetBlue. On JetBlue. ASTC. Gonna come down some more here. VAL. EVRI. IMAC. Coming down hard. Rejected the 100 simple moving average there. Watching prior high on JBLU here. 1 minute time frame, $10.32. $10.32. Watching 5 minute time frame candles. $10.38. Watching 10.38. 10.38 being kind of like a key level on JBLU. $10.38 being a key level on JBLU. $10.38. Putting a trend line there for that resistance. Again, I'm in on JBLU. 10.15. I'm short $10.15. I'm on the red now. Again, small size, very small size. Wanted to get my feet wet on that one there. Pen. $10.18 coming down JBLU. We put JBLU since I'm dealing with this one here. You guys can see exactly what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the flag formation right here on the 5 minute time frame, bear flag formation. I'm looking for a flush under $10. And I can see a doji on the 15 minute time frame on top of the 50 simple moving average on the 15 minutes. So this is obvious the reason why it's getting that little bit of a support. It's hovering around the 50 simple moving average on the 15 minute time frame, coming down now, about to put me on break even. I'm in on 10.15, small size, 10.15. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. Can't see in the 5 minute time frame candles. Those candles right there are giving me consolidation. I think we're gonna flush down a little more. Pen might come back, but the problem is that if I just don't like that it's under the view app. $10.23. Seal consolidation on JBLU. Getting a green candle on top of the 50 simple moving average. I'm expecting this thing to keep on coming down. 10.38 shows strong resistance on JBLU. I'm short, small size. Wall of sellers at 10.24. What else is moving? DAL, EVRI, CCL, AAL. coming up to $10.38. Again, that's the area of resistance that we have seen work out very well. I appreciate the people that have liked the stream. I appreciate you guys. For those of you that are new in the channel, if you want to subscribe, that's also appreciated. And if you want to keep the conversation rolling and share ideas with all of us, group is now growing very fast. I think it's how many people do we have in the group now? About 60 people in the group. You have the Discord link right there. If you want to be part of Discord and share ideas and keep connected. It's all free, by the way. JBLU coming up to $10.38. See if we're gonna reject this area here. Looking at this area, a little bit of selling coming through here. Tap in that 50 simple moving average. Coming right back up. This thing is screwing with me, honestly. Congratulations, man. You made 59 bucks. That's great. 1048. See if the $0.50 resistance is gonna work out on JetBlue here. What's the rest of the airliners are doing? Everybody else is moving up. Everybody else is moving up. And JetBlue is coming into this pocket here, which I don't like on the 5. JetBlue getting a little bit of support. I think gonna have to jump ship out of this one. Yeah, this market hasn't been so great for me lately. It has not been so great for me. EVRI trying to get a little bit of support towards the 50 simple moving average. IMAC coming down hard. IMAC coming down hard. You can see a Doji 1060 on JetBlue. Shooting star on the 15 minutes. Shooting star on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we're gonna get under the $10.38. I was prior resistance. You know, if it's gonna come in and be support right now, 1053. Noticing a little bit of support around this area. Watching the level 2 as of right now. Give me. Give me. That's garbage. Topping count on the 15-minute time frame. A little bit of selling at $10.53, $10.54. There's another topping candle right there on the 1-minute time frame. Still not coming down. Everything else seemed to be coming down. Lower highs, 1-minute time frame, JBLU. Lower highs. Watching the rest of the how do you call it? The sector. Rest of the sector. Watching the rest of the sector here. And the overall market seems is about to roll over here. If we roll over, we can come back down some more. We'll sell us at 1062, coming down. Okay, we have a small pen on the 1-minute time frame on JBLU. They're trying to prop it up. This thing, they're trying to hold it tight. We're trading inside of this range now, and we have a doji on the 5. I'm actually letting it work out, trying to let this one work out. I have let it run, honestly, a little bit more than I usually do. Again, the reason being is that because I jumped in with very small size, and I'm just trying to the risk is really tiny. So I'm letting it work out, but it seems like it's gonna keep on moving higher towards the view app here. The problem with all of this is that if you start thinking that way, that oh, the risk is too small because you took small size, you're gonna let it run forever. Because if you think, oh, it's too small, it's just not, something that's feasible. That the risk is actually too small. The risk could be small, but there should be a point where you know what you're risking off. I honestly should have been out of this thing a long time ago, and I have let it run more than it would have been recommended, or that I know as a fact that my risk parameters on the small account with the strategy here that I'm trying to use is feasible to be able to work out for me in some way, somehow. And I think I can see the numbers here still being propping up, coming right back up to the view app, which is sitting at 1070. And this thing is just not showing me any type of reversal. So I'm really about to. I'm not gonna say it's a big loser though, because it's just like a couple of bucks. It's really not a lot. But regardless of that, it's just the fact that you are responsible for keeping the strategy that you're trying to use flagging around the VWAP. Let's see. And the rest of the sector is actually moving higher as well. So, you know, it seems like the whole sector is moving higher. This thing is probably not gonna stop, and at some point it will be more like it will be recommended to pull the trigger and not keep holding it, because it has moved really high from where I actually got in. That was at 10.15. 10.15 right now, 10.68. It's actually a long way. I have to say today that I have not been a great example for myself. See it hovering under the VWAP here with higher. Yeah, it's this thing. It's time for me to just jump ship here. Tapping candle. Gravestone doji. 1 minute time frame. Shooting star, gravestone doji on the 5 as well. Wall sellers at 1071. Yeah, this thing seems like it doesn't want to roll over though. It's being strong. Let me look at the stochastics right now. The volume shows that there's really not a lot of volume, but look at this thing going right back up to 11. Come on, get over here. All right, so I just got out of JetBlue. Took a small loss on that one. There's a possibility that this thing is actually going to roll over now after I get out, but I didn't want to keep on holding it because it might go all the way to 11. You can see here it's trading inside of that range from 1038 to 1094. And again, when it shows any indication that it might come down, I might be able to, you know, just get in and then take the short right back down. So it will be better to do it that way, just keep on holding a loser all the way to God knows where. The whole sector moved up. Now looks like we might have a little rollover over the last couple of minutes. I mean, over the next few minutes. hammer coming down. Watching this hammer right here, 1075. Looking a little strong. Still looking strong. Come right back up. ASTC. Interesting consolidation. JetBlue coming down. JetBlue coming down. The whole sector is rolling over now. Bouncing off of the 50 simple moving average on the 5. Bouncing off of the 50 simple moving average on the 5-minute time frame. Congrats, buddy. That's great, man. $10.55 coming down. See some 10 Type in the 456 right there. A little bit of support in this thing. On JetBlue. Too close to the 50 simple moving average. I was I had a little bit of indecision here. Getting in. Because I was looking at the 5-minute time frame and it looked a little too close to the 50 and the 100 here for me. Hold up. Decent formation on ASTC, pardon me, ASTC. Pennant on the 5-minute time frame, spawn pennant on the 5-minute time frame. Just bring it up. ASTC 5-minute time frame pennant right here. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Nathan, be careful, please. ASTC making new highs right there, breaking out. Probably high of that pennant, 574. Think we'll roll over right here. Keep an eye on it. All of the airliners and all that kind of stuff are flagging. Let's make a little story here for Instagram, I think. Just for... Well, what is happening, guys? You can see the live stream right there on YouTube. 1, 2, 3, couple of monitors. Yes, that's my coffee there. Right now, I took a small hit on JetBlue and also took a hit on which one was the other one that didn't work out for me? Can't even remember now. I'm not gonna be looking at that thing. I just wanted to make a small story here. Say good morning. Keep an eye on the stock market. It's crazy today. Take care, guys. Yeah, I did all that live. Yeah. Well, guys, hope you guys are been having a good day. About to crash. ASTC. JetBlue. Watching JetBlue though. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yeah, after I took that hidden pen, just being like consolidation right now, printing a bull flag on the 5. Printing a bull flag on the 5. Seems like it's gonna keep on moving higher here. JetBlue finally setting up for a little flush. The problem with JetBlue is that it's too close to the 50 and the 100 on the 5. The range is too tight, and I don't appreciate that. That's the reason why I haven't taken that trade though. JetBlue is way too tight on there, so that I don't like too much. It's gonna come down here. She's gonna come down here. ASTC looks like she's gonna come down here. A little bit of consolidation on different things. CCL, DAL, NCLH. Pen. Printing a bull flag on the 5 minutes. See you. What's going on? Bid stack in a 1074 on JetBlue. 1074. Let's go. Prior high 1087 in JetBlue, 1087 in JetBlue. Small pennant, 1 minute time frame on JetBlue. Small pennant, 1 minute time frame on JetBlue. 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 Take a picture here. JetBlue breaking out. Look at this nice up move on JetBlue. JetBlue broke that pattern. For those of you that are still on the stream there, you notice right here we got a small pennant flag formation, small pennant on the 1 minute time frame. JetBlue ramped up and broke even the prior resistance at 1094. I actually did the right thing getting out because I was short. Look at that reversal that he has had today. The whole sector is actually moving higher right now. AAL, even Save probably, which is Spirit Airlines. Look at this thing. It's the same kind of move as JetBlue as of right now that we are having. So it's even Southwest Airlines, LUV. Again, the same type of move. Let's check it out here. While the whole sector moves like in almost the same way here. It's amazing to see this moves so far and the way that they have been happening. Pretty decent move so far. I was short, so I took a little I took a little hit, a small loser, really tiny loser on JetBlue. Again, I'm trading a small account. I wanted to see how it was gonna work out, and I took a really tiny position, thinking that see if I was gonna get filled or not. But that's the reason why I actually took that one, and I got filled. And although I gotta say I got in at 10.15, looking for a retest of the 10, and a follow break under the $10 area on JetBlue. This thing rack up and it went all the way to like 10.70. So I got out. Again, for me, it was a really tiny loser, really small loser. I didn't really lose a lot of money, but again, I just wanted to kind of like get my feet wet in regards to that. Guys, if you don't mind, just give me a minute. I'll be right back. Be right back. Give me a second here. Okay, so we can see JetBlue racking up right here, moving higher. I have no idea what news are on this thing, but working out very well though. DAL, everything is moving very well. I'm gonna be honest with you. It seems like the whole sector is moving. The whole sector is moving. I like the fact that I see that the group is actually very active. Very active. Guys, give me a minute, please. Alright, so JBLU coming down now. Yeah, so still waiting for me. Thank you for the. And I apologize for the wait time. It's a dog. Open the door. It's a dog. Okay. 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 Alright, let's see what else is moving here. A little bit of indecision on JetBlue, I have to say. That 1 minute candle looks a little crazy. Looks a little crazy. You can see pen with a consolidation, NCLH, DAL, VVRI. JetBlue 1094 prior. Just get down, Nathan. Get down, please. Get down, Nathan. Put your pants on. Come on. Wait.
Papi, não queria fazer isso.
Okay. Prior resistance on JetBlue seems to be becoming support here. Seems to be becoming support here. JetBlue finding a top. JetBlue coming down. JetBlue coming down. JetBlue lower highs. Going towards 1094 for the second time. The whole sector's rolling over now. The whole sector is rolling over right now. JetBlue coming down towards 1094. Probably getting under 11 here. Bit staggering at 11. Bit staggering at 11. JetBlue. Bit staggering at 11. JetBlue flagging. JetBlue flagging. Somebody trying to put about 14,000 shares at 1109. Somebody trying to put 13,000 shares 1109. DAL. JBLU, pardon me, JBLU. I'm just watching DAL, AAL, JetBlue, CCL, VRI, Pen coming right back up. Pen 1505. Pen 1505. JetBlue breaking out. Being pretty strong today though. Being very strong today. Topping count on JetBlue 5-minute time frame. Topping count on JetBlue 5-minute time frame. Guys, I'm gonna cut the stream here. There is a lot of just whipsaw, no follow through on things, and everything is looking kind of weird. I'm gonna take a step back here. I'm gonna try to eat something because I'm getting a little hungry, and I had just had a coffee this morning. So just gonna take a step back here, and we'll see you guys in a little while. For now, I'll let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading, and good luck with everything, guys. Take care.